Have you ever wondered what it takes to be successful? In 1937, Napoleon Hill sought to answer this question in his groundbreaking book, Think and Grow Rich. He spent 20 years interviewing the most successful people of his time, from Thomas Edison to Henry Ford, to distill the key principles of achievement. His findings are as relevant today as they were nearly a century ago. Hill's book is not just about acquiring wealth, it's a guide to personal development, encouraging us to harness our desires, faith, and subconscious mind in the pursuit of our goals. It emphasizes the importance of specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, and decision-making. It also highlights the power of persistence, the value of surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals, and understanding the enormous potential of our subconscious mind. These principles have stood the test of time, inspiring countless individuals to reach their full potential. Now let's delve into the key principles that can guide us on the path to success. But before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. First and foremost, success begins with a burning desire. In the grand scheme of achievement, desire is the spark that ignites the flame of accomplishment. It is the first step on the journey towards any goal. But what does this mean? It means having a clear, specific objective that you're determined to reach. It means possessing an ambition that keeps you awake at night, a passion that fuels your every action. Imagine a rocket about to launch into space. That rocket won't budge an inch without the fiery propulsion that thrusts it skyward. That's what desire is to your goals. It's the propelling force that pushes you forward, that refuses to let you settle. And remember, it's not enough to merely want something. You must crave it, yearn for it, with an intensity that surpasses mere wishing. You must be willing to chase it relentlessly, regardless of the obstacles that stand in your path. Without a burning desire, any goal will remain a mere wish. Belief in oneself is the cornerstone of success. This profound concept lies at the heart of Napoleon Hill's principles on faith and autosuggestion. It's the idea that you are the creator of your own destiny, and your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. In the realm of faith, Hill isn't speaking of religious conviction, but rather the unwavering belief in one's abilities and potential. He emphasizes the importance of having faith in oneself, in one's goals, and in the process of achieving them. This isn't merely a passive belief, but an active one that fuels your actions and decisions. But how do you cultivate such faith, especially when faced with self-doubt and negativity? That's where the power of autosuggestion comes in. Autosuggestion is the practice of programming your subconscious mind with positive affirmations and beliefs. It's like a mental workout, strengthening and conditioning your mind to believe in your capabilities and to visualize your success. Think of autosuggestion as the language of your subconscious mind. It's a tool for communicating your desires and intentions to the part of your mind that's always listening. The part that doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. It takes your positive affirmations, visualizations, and beliefs, and works tirelessly to make them your reality. So how do you harness the power of autosuggestion? Start by identifying the negative beliefs and thoughts that are holding you back. Replace them with positive affirmations that resonate with your goals and aspirations. Repeat these affirmations daily, to yourself, out loud, with conviction. Visualize your success. See it, feel it, taste it. The more you practice autosuggestion, the more your subconscious mind will align with your conscious desires, and the more your actions will reflect your beliefs. This is the power of faith and autosuggestion. The ability to transform your thoughts into reality. Remember, your mind believes what you tell it, so tell it something good. Let your thoughts and beliefs be your compass, guiding you towards your dreams and aspirations. Success requires more than just general knowledge. As Napoleon Hill emphasized in his groundbreaking book, Think and Grow Rich, specialized knowledge is a crucial component of success. But what does this mean? It means that to truly excel and make your mark, you need to delve into your chosen field, subject, or industry with an intensity that sets you apart. It's about becoming an expert in your particular niche, continuously learning, and never ceasing to improve. In today's world, where information is at our fingertips, it's not enough to just know a little about a lot. You need to know a lot about a little. It's about honing your skills, refining your expertise, and becoming the go-to person in your field. This level of knowledge doesn't arrive overnight. It requires dedication, a thirst for learning, and a commitment to self-improvement. However, it's not just about accumulating knowledge, it's about applying it. And this is where another key principle from Hill's book comes in: the power of imagination. Imagination isn't just for artists or writers, it's for entrepreneurs, scientists, educators, anyone who wants to transform their dreams into reality. Imagination allows us to visualize our goals, to see in our mind's eye what we want to achieve. It's the creative force that enables us to innovate, to solve problems, to dream up new ideas and turn them into tangible outcomes. When we combine specialized knowledge with the power of imagination, we become unstoppable. We can visualize our goals and create a roadmap to achieve them, using our deep, specialized knowledge as the vehicle that drives us forward. But remember, imagination is more than just dreaming. It's about creating mental images so vivid, so real, that our subconscious mind believes they are already a reality. And when our subconscious mind believes something, it works tirelessly to make it happen. So, never underestimate the power of your imagination. Use it to visualize your goals, to shape your reality, to create the life you desire. Knowledge is power, but imagination is the key to creating new realities. Harness these twin forces and there's no limit to what you can achieve. A goal without a plan is just a wish. In our journey through Napoleon Hill's timeless wisdom, we've now arrived at the principles of organized planning and decision. Let's start with organized planning. Think about it this way. You wouldn't set off on a cross-country road trip without a map, would you? Similarly, your journey to success needs a detailed roadmap. This is where organized planning comes in. It's not enough to simply know where you want to go. You need to know exactly how you're going to get there. Every step, every turn, every detour, they all need to be carefully thought out and planned. And remember, the plan is not static, it's dynamic. As you move forward, you may need to revise or adjust it. That's part of the process. This meticulous planning, this attention to detail, is what separates those who dream from those who achieve. Now let's talk about decision. Indecision is the arch nemesis of success. It's like quicksand pulling you down and keeping you stuck in one place. You can't move forward if you're constantly second-guessing yourself. So how do you combat indecision? You take decisive action. Make a choice and stick with it. Of course, this doesn't mean rushing into decisions without thinking. It means weighing your options, making an informed choice, and then committing to it fully. Decisiveness is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. To recap, organized planning and decision are two sides of the same coin. They work together, hand in hand. Organized planning helps you chart your path to success, while decisive action propels you forward on that path. Without one, the other is incomplete. So, remember, as you work towards your goals, don't just dream, plan. And don't just ponder, decide. And so, we come to the end of this segment with a reminder that echoes the wisdom of Napoleon Hill. Plan your work and work your plan. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. A potent truth, particularly when we dive deep into the realms of persistence, the mastermind principle, and the subconscious mind. Imagine persistence as a relentless river, carving out its path through mountains and valleys, undeterred by obstacles. It's the backbone of achievement, a testament to human resilience. When we face challenges and setbacks, it's our will to persist that carries us forward. It's not about avoiding failure, instead it's about rising each time we fall, learning from our mistakes and pressing on with an unwavering focus on our goals. Now let's shift gears and talk about the mastermind principle. Picture a round table of like-minded individuals, all bringing their unique skills, knowledge, and perspectives to the table. This is your mastermind alliance. The collective wisdom of this group is a powerful tool for overcoming challenges and accelerating success. It's about synergy, where the combined effort of many surpasses the sum of their individual efforts. You are not alone in your journey, and the support, feedback, and encouragement of your mastermind alliance can be a game changer in your quest for success. Lastly, but by no means least, we delve into the mysterious and powerful realm of the subconscious mind. It's like a garden. What we plant, we harvest. If we sow seeds of positivity, success, and prosperity, that's what we reap. Program your subconscious mind with affirmations that align with your goals. Visualize your success, feel it, believe in it, and your subconscious mind will work tirelessly to turn your beliefs into reality. These three elements, persistence, the mastermind, and the subconscious mind, are powerful tools in your success toolbox. Use them wisely, and the world is your oyster. Remember, the road to success is always under construction. Keep going. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the profound wisdom of Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, and we've seen how its principles stand the test of time. We started with desire, the foundation of all achievement, and learned the importance of having a clear goal and the determination to reach it. Then, we talked about faith, the belief in oneself and one's abilities. We examined the power of autosuggestion, the art of programming our minds with positive affirmations. We explored the value of specialized knowledge and the role of imagination in turning dreams into reality. We discussed the necessity of organized planning, decision-making, and the power of persistence. We highlighted the significance of forming a mastermind alliance and harnessing the power of the subconscious mind. These principles are not just theories, but practical tools to apply in our everyday lives. Success is not a destination, but a journey. And with these principles, you're well equipped for the journey ahead. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch some more of our great videos. Thanks for watching.